you want to make your PowerPoint presentation more fluid and dynamic, or if you simply want to make a particular item in your presentation stand out, you can add an animation. You can add animations to different types of objects in your slides, such as shapes, images, and text boxes. To add an animation to the title of my presentation, I'm going to click to select the object. Now the object is selected, I'm going to click on the Animations tab, and in the Animation group, I can see the first row of the animation gallery. To open the gallery, click on the More button, and you'll see the different categories of animation. Entrance animations are good for introducing items. Emphasis animations can be used to highlight or emphasize items in your presentation. And finally, if I scroll down, I can see the Exit category, which is good for removing or hiding items on your slides. I'm going to scroll back up, and I'm going to click on the float-in entrance animation to apply it. And having clicked once, I can see a preview of the animation on my object. If you want to preview your animation again, go to the Preview group of the Animations tab and click on the Preview tool. Or if you click on the Preview tool drop-down menu button, you can preview by clicking that from the menu. You can also decide to deactivate Auto Preview, which shows you what the animation looks like as soon as you add it or change it. So if you don't want that to be the case, click on Auto Preview to remove the check mark. I'm not going to do that myself, so I'm just going to click away to close the menu. Once you've added an animation, you'll see the animation label appear in your slide. And if you go to the slide navigation pane, you'll see a star icon indicating that an animation has been added to that slide. If you want to preview your animation in slideshow mode, click on the Slideshow tab, and I'm going to click on From Current Slide in the Start Slideshow group, and I'm going to click to activate the animation. I'm now going to come out of slideshow mode by pressing the Escape key on my keyboard. Once you've applied an animation to an object, there's nothing stopping you from replacing it with another one if you think there's a better animation that you want to use. So to do this, I'm going to click on the Animations tab. I'm going to select a new animation from the gallery, and doing so will replace the previous animation. So this time I'm going to select the split animation, and I saw a preview of that with my object. If you want to find even more animations, click on the More button and then go down to the bottom of the menu. Here you'll see 3 options, so you can find more entrance, emphasis, and exit effects. Click on the one you want to open. So I clicked on Entrance Effect, and the Change Entrance Effect window has now opened with a full list of entrance effects. You can move this window if you wish, which is a good idea if you want to see your slide and the preview of the animation you choose. So I'm going to click at the top, hold and drag the window to see my slide. I'm now going to select the wedge animation, and I saw a preview of that in my slide. You can also remove the preview effect option from this window by clicking on the checkbox button, bottom left of the window, if you wish. I'm now going to save the new effect by clicking on the OK button. You may also decide that you no longer want to apply an animation to an object, and you can delete it in different ways. You can either go to the Animation Gallery, and if you go to the top row by clicking on the upward facing arrow button, you can select None from the menu, and that will remove the animation. However, if I use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Z, and that undid that deletion, you can also delete an animation by selecting the label in the slide and then pressing the delete key on your keyboard. And again, that has deleted the animation from my object. So in this video, you've seen how to add animations to your presentation with PowerPoint.